Hello students, so we are back again, right? So before starting the class, I want to say you something. Today is a great day to learn something new. We all are happy and we need to learn something new every day, right? So the new chapter in geography we are going to learn is chapter number 1, resources. Chapter number 1, resources. In this chapter today we are going to learn about utility, about value, about natural resources, in which we are going to learn about renewable and non-renewable. We are going to learn about conserving resources. We are going to learn about human resources. So already we have learned all these things in our class. So today we are going to have a recap about it. So dear students, I have few things in my hand. This is a Britannica encyclopedia. I have some books related to mathematics, related to geography, everything. So these books were in our library, and let me tell you all, if this book is not read by anyone, is there any use of these books? Now you people might be thinking that it is related to resources and why this ma'am is talking about books, right? When there is a use of something, when we use something, when it is lying down without any use, then there is no value for that, right? But when we make use of it, then there is a value, there is a utility of it. That is what this word is, utility. Utility means making use of something. Did you understand? And when we make use of this books or anything, we need to have a value for that. Value means worth. So dear students, we were learning about resources, and resources is divided into classified into three, that is natural resources, human made and human resources. Now natural resources, it is again classified into two parts, that is renewable and non-renewable. Renewable means which can be renewed, for example solar energy and wind energy, and non-renewable, for example, which cannot be renewed, it takes years together to get renewed, for example coal and petroleum. Okay, and now next topic that we learned was about human resources. Human resources, for that what is the main thing we require is, we require skill, we require technology and knowledge. Okay, and all these things whatever we learn, we need to conserve it. We need to conserve it. For conserving resources, what we need to do, we should be very careful, we should use it very carefully, and there should be a balancing of it. So dear children, in this chapter this is what we have studied all about, and now when we are talking about conserving, I need to tell you something which is very important, that is, we are all different, right? We are all different. No, we have diversity. Everyone is different in our own way of thinking, everything. We are like a box of crayons. Each one of us are unique, but when we get together, the picture is complete. So why did I show you this? Because as an individual person, it's our right or it's our duty to preserve or to conserve our resources. So hoping for that, thank you all children for listening to me. We will come up with the next video in our next class. Thank you.